welcome back. Today we are going to try a prep that actually works for acetone-azine. First we take bleach and add it to ammonia and acetone. Ammonia, acetone and bleach. We shall be performing this reaction outside. Step 1. 120 milliliters of concentrated ammonia. One hundred. 120. To our ammonia, we're going to add 40 milliliters of our acetone. Slightly excess, so we'll spill that away. $40 milliliters acetone. Now this we want to stir for a few minutes. Finally, we want our bleach, and we are going to weigh this rather than measure in milliliters. We want 180 grams. Starting with 110 grams. Now this is slowly added to our mixture, one bit at a time. Hello, Mum. This is slowly added. You can begin to see a reaction happening. Oh, I want to turn the heating off. Yes, you can see a reaction happening there. Definitely a reaction happening. We can cover this to let it react for a bit. Now we have our second lot of bleach. We can slowly keep adding. We do this and let it stir until the bubbling stops. While this continues to react, there is one optional step, which is to have your avocado and egg on toast. 30 degrees perhaps. Every cloud has a silver lining. Ooh. Hello. There are still bubbles in there, but we're coming close to completion. Now that the reaction is complete, we must do a fractional distillation, as this does not phase separate. Ketazine is soluble in water. The fraction around 133 degrees will be our product. First we'll come over some water, 2 heating mantles that need fixing, but we can still do our distillation with a hot plate. Ooh, 2 degrees. No, -2 degrees. Can't be. Alright. Okay, 3 degrees at the still head. We're starting to heat it up now. Got some Kea wool tied around there. We'll probably put some tin foil as well. This will probably take a while to heat up. From now on, I must monitor the temperature. This is still cold up here, but it's warm down here. I put some cooking oil down in there to transfer the heat, so give it some time and it will be an accurate reading. When this reaches 130, I'm going to swap a 2440 jointed test tube with a gas adapter. I can smell the ammonia. Slow and steady. It's been several hours. It's 1 degree Celsius outside. And yes, this is dripping very slowly. Oh no, it's dripping. And the temperature is exactly 100, so we're just removing water.
You!